This is Prince Harrison, LPB and NPC promoter. We're here in Denison, Texas at LP Performance Gym. We want to thank the owners of the gym for allowing us to video here and also to do photo shoots here. I'm here with athlete Jason Pettit, an old friend of mine who's been competing, has been around for a long time, and an athlete for many years. His last show was the 2003 NPC Heart of Texas, which is one of the Optimum Fitness shows. So tell me, Jason, what have you been doing in the last few years?
Well, I've really just been concentrating on school and finishing up with my master's degree. Just finished my degree in counseling and working with youth for about 10 years, doing a lot of counseling with youth and drug and alcohol dependency and things like that. Now I've found a little bit more time since I finished school to get back in it, trying to make a comeback. I'm 34 years old now and I'm feeling the best shape of my life right now. So I think I'm gonna give the physique show in April of Optimum Fitness another shot.
Well, that is great. Well, I'll tell you, Jason, I've known you for a long time, and it will have been 10 years since you've been on stage. You're doing the 2013 Optimum Fitness NPC Lone Star Classic, which will be April 6th at the Fair Park Music Hall at the State Fairgrounds. And so it will be exactly 10 years since you will have been on stage. And I'll tell you, you look great. You seem like you're not aging. And in fact, you're just getting like a good wine, getting better with age.
Getting right back at it.
And doing physique now. And that's one of our new classes. So we saw quite a workout here today. So tell us a little about your workout, what your regimen is. And I know your uncle owns this gym, is that correct?
Yes, sir. My uncle's been a strength and conditioning coach at the collegiate level, high school level, a bodybuilder himself in the 70s and 80s. So I have a huge background in that, and he's also been a football coach for 30 plus years. So we train a lot of athletes here, MMA guys, anything from boxing to football to baseball to track. We train everybody. It's a performance gym, so we do a mix of bodybuilding and MMA fight. We kind of do it all, but it's more strength and conditioning more than anything. Work a lot of core, do a lot of, it's a mix of, CrossFit is the new thing with everyone, but my uncle's been doing CrossFit style training for the past 20 years, so it's nothing new to him. And so we mix weight training with cardio all at the same time. So, and it's pretty hardcore. I mean, you can get a lot done in this gym. So we get after it, we take no rest, and it's definitely a good place to work out.
Well, that is great, and you're absolutely correct. The CrossFit has become very popular, but it's something that those of us in the fitness industry know that it's very important to combine your cardiovascular with weights. That's the best way to get great conditioning, core strength, all of that. Now, one of the things is that you went through a series of different exercises today, and we encourage our audience to check it out on our YouTube channel as well as Facebook and on our site, muscleflexclips.com. Now, one of the things that we were discussing offline was that you've lost, I think you said close to 50 pounds, haven't you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just kind of really started watching my diet, not necessarily carbs as much, but just kind of lowering my amount of sodium, lowering my amount of sugars, and my cardio I stepped up tremendously. Just hitting it. I've always lifted weights. I mean, that's the easy part. It's the cardio nobody wants to do. So I started hitting cardio 2 times a day. It's just dedication. I mean, once you get dedicated to something, and I'm the person, if I set myself to do something, I'm going to do it. So, and in about 3 months, I've dropped over 60. So, and it's just being consistent, keep with my diet and it's really, really hard when you go out with your friends and everybody's eating what they want to eat and drinking what they want to drink, and I'll have a water, but it pays off in the long run, if not just for my overall fitness, just how I feel about myself. I can go out and feel good at how I look, and at 34, that's important. So
no, you're absolutely correct. I think you just said something that pretty much answered a question I was going to have for you, and that is that with the holidays coming up, will that be a problem? It sounds like it won't be a problem. No, not at all. Matter of fact, my family's really good. My mom always tries to cook to benefit me. So we're smoking our turkey, not frying it, things like that. So we always find a way to benefit everyone. But everyone in my family is pretty much very health conscious, but especially my uncle, of course. But holidays, we give in a little, but
I'm very disciplined through. I mean, I've come this far. I'm not going to mess it up, in a week or two of holidays. So I'm just going to keep it consistent and keep on driving and get ready for April.
Well, that's great. Well, seeing you today and going through these exercises, I think you are, at the very least, you're ahead of the curve getting ready for the show in April.
Definitely.
So we'll keep watching you. We'll come back out and do another video before the show. And I know you've been trying some of our products. You like those?
Definitely. I've been on the glutamine and the protein. I'm about to begin, and I'm just going to keep on losing and keep on getting ready. So.
Well, that's great. Well, do you have any parting words for our audience?
I just want to thank everyone for coming out. Thank 7 Playgrounds Photography for coming out and doing my photos today. I've known Brant Plyler, the owner of that company, for a while, and great guy, and I'm sure he's going to have some great photos for me. I'm looking forward to that. And I want to thank you guys for coming out and spending your time. I know it's not close. We live way out here in Denison. You guys are way out in the Dallas Metroplex, but I promise you, come April, it'll be worth your while.
Well, thanks very much. This is Prince Harrison for Optimum Fitness Supplements, and our streaming channel, which will be online within the next quarter. Keep tuned. You'll see Jason again soon.